In this lecture, we're going to focus on some of the technology-based tools we can use to improve the learning experience and the overall effectiveness of training and development systems. The first option worth mentioning is actually a collection of tools. Internet of Things devices are smart devices that have sensors and internet access. Some of these devices, like phones and tablets, enable web conferencing and instant access to subject matter experts, SMEs, or apps that enable content sharing, location tracking, and other useful features. They're often used as part of mobile learning and other technology-based training methods. They encourage continuous learning as employees can access training at any time as they need it. And using some of the other tools from this lecture, instruction can be customized to meet the trainee's unique needs in the moment. Wearables are IoT devices that are becoming more popular in training and development. They can be worn on the body, like bands, watches, and eyewear. Some can connect to the internet, while others display preloaded information, or simply store data until it's downloaded for analysis. Smart eyewear, like the pair shown here for $600, allows trainees to access materials and SMEs via voice activation, hands-free, and they can receive notifications, alerts in their line of sight in real time. Other wearables can be used to track body movements and physiological activity like heart rate and blood pressure to aid trainees in self-managing the learning process. Earlier in this course, we learned about business games and game-based simulations. Clearly, gamification has useful applications in training and development. Game design can enhance engagement by delivering content through short, interactive sessions and by facilitating interaction between trainees. Interaction that is sometimes collaborative, sometimes competitive, depending on the goals of the training. Games also provide feedback in terms of points and levels and comments from the trainer and from other learners. Some games use what are called digital twins. These are digital duplications, digital replications of concrete and abstract concepts that can be manipulated in a 3D world. For example, a game-based simulation may use a digital twin of a piece of equipment to teach trainees how it works and how to fix it. With a few clicks and moves of the mouse, they can rotate the piece of equipment, take it apart, and watch animations that demonstrate how the different pieces work together. Artificial intelligence, or AI for short, is technology that is designed to mimic human intelligence. Think Apple's Siri and Google's Alexa. As trainees learn, AI can adapt the course and customize it based on their input, what they get right or wrong, how they respond to self-management checks. Learning bots, like the one shown here, can answer their questions and make suggestions for what they should do next, what they should learn next, what they should study next. AI can also collect data for needs assessment purposes, provide instant feedback, and even learn about trainees' habits to provide ongoing coaching for them. Some apps can collect performance data and 360-degree feedback, and then automatically feed it back to employees. There is one more technology that I want you to be familiar with before you finish this course. Experience API, more commonly referred to as Tin Can API, is technology that allows different learning tools to communicate with one another. The data from these tools can be collected, stored, and accessed by trainees in what are called Learning Records Stores, or LRS. Maryville University has a platform that connects you to a variety of tools, Canvas, registration, email, Microsoft Office, and so on. This platform tracks every login, what people click on, how long they view each page or work within an app. This information can be used to help people learn more, faster, and better, and to make decisions about the training system. Even face-to-face instruction and live experiences can be stored via Tin Can API. You may have noticed that these technologies produce a lot of data that could be useful to us. We will learn more about specific uses of big data next. Before we do, check out some of the examples of technology-based tools on this page.